Hello guys, thanks for stopping by. Welcome to today's tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to explain to you guys how to set up a Tumblr blog website successfully in 2023. So, thank you for following up in my previous videos, and if you haven't checked out the video I explained how to set up a Tumblr blog, do check it out. It's going to display on the screen in the end of this video. Thank you. Let me dive right into today's tutorial. Right now I'm in my dashboard on Tumblr, as you can see. So what you have to do is, if you are watching this tutorial right now and you don't have a Tumblr account, I will urge you to check my video description, click on the link there and sign up on Tumblr in order for you to get started immediately. So once you sign up on Tumblr, you're going to set up a profile, add every necessary details you have to add there, like your bio, your age, every other things you get them because they are self-explanatory. Very good. So the first thing I want to do right here is, I want to show you how to change the theme color of Tumblr. That's the first thing I want to do right now. So the first thing I'm going to do now is to click on this user right here, this user section. Once you click on it, you will see a lot of options right here. So the option I want to click on is, as you can see, keyboard shortcuts. Immediately under, you're going to see this color button. Once you click on this color button, it's going to display a new color entirely. As you can see guys, there is 12 different colors here on Tumblr that you can change your Tumblr dashboard color to. As you can see, I change it to white now. As you can see, once I click on it again, it's going to change to another color and another color. As you can see, this one is called vampire, this one is called pumpkin. As you can see, Tumblr is also a very good social media for all users out there. To be honest with you, Tumblr is having over 300 million visits in just this 2023. So do check it out and sign up and get started with everything. Very good. So I'm going to change it back to color. So I'm changing it to this color now. So that is just the free tips on how to change the color to a better one or to a more preferable one, depending on you, individual difference. So the next thing I want to do now is to show you how to how to run ads on Tumblr. So it's very easy because of why. In other social media accounts, we run ads to get more engagement, more followers, and lots more like that, right? Very good. Like website traffic, video views, a lot of ads that we can run, even app download. I hope you understand. So here on Tumblr, you can run your ads on your post. Your post is just going to appear like this once you post a post here on Tumblr. So after posting, I'm going to show you now. You are going to see these various options right here, guys. How I made my blog website, which is this, I will explain it to you shortly. Okay, very good. So I'm going to click on Tumblr Blaze. Tumblr Blaze is a button here on Tumblr. Once you click on it, it's more or less like you clicking on Ads Manager on Facebook. I hope you understand me, guys. So if you don't really understand what I'm explaining very well, by the end of the video you will see a video that pops up that to explain everything about social media ads for you. Okay, do check it out for you to understand what I'm explaining right now better. Very good. So Tumblr Blaze helps all users on Tumblr to run ads, as you can see, blow up your post, grow your community, ignite the dashboard. So as you can see, this is the 3 types of ads here on Tumblr. You see, everything is very good and everything looks totally different. So these are my posts right here, guys. These are my posts that I have posted so far. I posted 6 different posts on this Tumblr account, and what I want to do now is click on Get Started. So immediately I click on Get Started. Okay, let's say I want to run the ads on this post. So immediately I click on these ads. As you can see, immediately I click on this post, I'm going to click on Blaze. So immediately I click on Blaze, guys, as you can see, the first option right here is $10. estimated impression, that's $2,500, $25. Estimated impression is 7K impression, and $65 is 20K impression, and $150 is 50K impressions. So as you can see, one very good thing about Tumblr that I love is in this Tumblr Blaze, you can select your own targeted audience, which is a very good thing. If you want to run all your posts, you want to target a specific audience. For example, as I'm doing an affiliate marketing, I posted some affiliate links in my content. I embedded them in my content. So for example, I want to target United States. So I'm going to click on United States and click on Blaze it. Once I click on Blaze it, it will ask me to link either my PayPal, my card, or any payment method I want to use. So guys, that's all about Tumblr Blaze in order for you to run ads. So very good. I love the way you're following up. Very good. Do not miss any part of this tutorial. Okay, keep following. So the next thing now is to create a blog website. Yeah. So if I want to create a new blog website, for example, you that you have not created any new blog website before, nor you know how to do. So the first thing you have to do is click on new. This button, you click on new, this plus, then create it. So now I'm going to click on the one I already created before. So once you click on new, then you ask to name your blog, then you add some other things. Okay, very good. Thanks for following up. So the next thing, I'm going to click on this. Hold on guys. So guys, it took me back to my home page on Tumblr. So the next thing for me to do now is to click on this user option right here, then click on settings. I hope you are following up. Very good. So these settings, you are going to see your email address. I have connected it with my Google. Yes. So you have to turn on this two-factor login, but right now I'm not going to do that in order to save time. Your language, your birthday, and some other necessary information will be here. Okay. So next thing, this is where we are coming to, guys. So So I'm going to click on these blogs. As you can see, these blogs, I'm going to click on it. As you can see, I have a star there already. So the next thing right here is you're going to see so many options right here. Payment and purchase. For example, when you want to use Tumblr Blaze, you're going to click on payment and purchase and link your payment to your Tumblr. Then you go back to your dashboard. Then you click on, once you click on the user, you're going to click on Tumblr Blaze. Then you're going to be able to run ads on a specific post on a specific targeted audience. Very good. So guys, this is my Tumblr blog website right here. By this side, as you can see, this is it right here, guys. So once you get to this stage, once you already click on new, then you add everything right here. You're going to design everything, all these things. You're going to design them by yourself. So the next thing now I want to do is, as you can see, custom theme. Then there's another thing I want you to know, guys. Tumblr gives us a subdomain. As you can see, this is my website link. As you can see, www.tumblr.questionnaire.rei/likes. As you can see, this is the subdomain given to me by Tumblr. Oh, sorry. Okay, immediately I click on it. So I want to show you something now, guys. For example, if I want to run an ad right now on my specific blog website, as you can see, sponsored, wanna go free ads. If you don't want any ads to display on your Tumblr, that's where you're going to click on go free ad. Okay, so now the next thing to do is to click on edit theme, because automatically once you click on that or create blog website, Tumblr will give you a specific theme. And if you wish to get another theme, for example, if you have another theme, you get it from Theme Park or Theme Forest, then you are going to get a specific theme that works with or that works on Tumblr. I hope you understand me, guys. Very good. As you can see, Tumblr official edits HTML. HTML means hypertext markup language. If you have check my email marketing tutorial. You're going to understand what hypertext markup language means. Sorry, markup language means. So as you can see, this is the section whereby I can edit everything right here in this blog website. This blog website link is going to be in my video description. Do check it out in order for you to see how it looks and for you to know I got a subdomain. Anybody can check it out worldwide. Okay, good. So the next thing is title my blog name. Yeah, I'm going to add it here. My description, yes, this is where to add it. Header image. Once I click on edit, it's going to change this image. As you can see, avatar shape. Avatar is like the profile. If I click on this cube, you see it changed automatically immediately. So I think I like this round one, so I'm going to use this round one, guys. So the next thing is front. The front I'm using is New Gothic, and you can click on it. There's a lot of options, right, guys? There's so many other options you could use. Georgian, as you can see, Georgian. A lot of fronts are available here. So guys, the next thing is background color. I actually added background color, accent color. This color right here, guys, this color, specific color right here, let me change it now for you to see what I'm saying. So immediately I move it back to this black, it's going to turn black. I hope you understand, guys. Okay, yeah, as you can see, guys, it's turned black. So I want to return it back to the color it was before because I like it the way it was before. So as you can see, it's back to normal now. And always remember, just like as if you are creating a Shopify store, you must always click on save in order to save your work. For example, if you face any connection challenge or your system went off or anything can happen. So always back up everything you're doing by clicking on save. So guys, that's all for today, and I wish you good luck, and I will see you in the next tutorial. Bye guys. Do check out my video description. Kindly like this video, subscribe to my YouTube channel, share this video with all your friends, and share the knowledge with everyone. Thanks for watching. Bye.